Welcome to this quick demonstration of Dungeon Builder. Today I'll be explaining how our application works while we build our first room. We'll start by adding a 4x5 floor, and you'll notice that the tooltip helps me out with the size. Next, I'm going to use the category dropdown to help me find some walls. I can also use the text filter to narrow the search even further. Placing the wall is just a matter of clicking and dragging, just like I did with the floor. I can use this button, or the shortcuts M or R, to rotate my wall. The categories and text filter work together, so if I clear this, I'm left with all the walls. I want to be able to look into the room, so let's go with the line wall. Again, R to rotate, and I'll just leave room for a door here. Let's use the category dropdown to find the door. I think we'll go with an open one. There we go. With that placed, the room is built, but let's decorate a bit. On the Decorate tab, you'll find everything that can be placed freely without snapping to the building grid. I really like these bookcases, so let's start with a couple of those. There we go. That's 2. This one looks a bit misplaced, so let's adjust it. I just right-click to stop placing items and then selected my bookcase. There we go. Much better. Let's use the category drop-down to find some more loot containers. How about a cabinet? And a small chest. There we go. Next, I'll reset the categories and search for a furnace. There we go, R to rotate, and there. Okay, let's just finish things off with a couple of windows. There and there. And a table with some chairs. Just down here, there we go. And there it is, our first room. Now, I can zoom out by holding down Control and scrolling, or I can scroll the other way to zoom back in and get a closer look at our room. I hope that you've enjoyed this quick walkthrough of Dungeon Builder. Take care.